proposition.
A little taste might pave the way. It has been known to save the day. A little taste might be okay.
It's a sedation, good for a sticky situation.
Why not spare myself a little pain? It wouldn't hurt. And why lock my appetite out in the rain?
Without a shirt,
self-denial's all that great. It wasn't me, as I found it often makes you disappear.
one little taste could make a whole lot of difference. My whole disposition.
A little taste might break the ice and make the nasty seem like nice. A little taste just once or twice.
It's an enhancer. One little taste could be the answer.